Hi, and welcome to the Student Guide for OsloMet, where we will be showcasing a tool available to OsloMet students that we firmly believe will make your student life here in Oslo a lot easier and more clear. The tool we will be looking at today is the MazeMap application used for campus navigation. This video will present information on how to use the MazeMap application and its functions. The intended target for this video are visiting students from Louisiana Tech. After this video, you should be able to navigate OsloMet's campus by using the MazeMap application. To evaluate your knowledge about the application, you will be met with 3 questions at the end of the video. Now, without further ado, let's hop into it and take a look at the MazeMap application. At OsloMet, there are a lot of different buildings and classrooms to navigate when going from one class to another. These buildings and classrooms are numbered, some may be more logically than others, but they all serve a purpose in the MazeMap application. The buildings, for instance, are named in short by their address, like P52 as seen here, which is short for Pilestredet 52. On MazeMap, you can explore the buildings and see what they have to offer by zooming in on your chosen building. When you've zoomed in far enough, an option for choosing floor level will appear. By clicking on a new floor, the building's content on the map will change, corresponding with that floor level's facilities and room layout. Now, say that you're currently in classroom E214 in building P52, and you notice in your calendar that your next class today is located in classroom PI243. By clicking on your current location, you will see a directions option pop up on the bottom of your screen. Entering the directions option, we can now plan our way from point A to point B by searching for our destination, which in this case will be classroom PI243. As you can see, the classroom is found in the search, with additional information. After pressing on PI243, a route to your destination is presented. You can choose between several means of transport, or you can simply choose to walk, with different routes being calculated depending on your choice. For this instance, we'll choose walking as our choice. MazeMap will present some information about your walk, like the estimated time and the distance. You can also see additional information by clicking on the Details option. In our suggested route, we can now see that we will have to use stairs twice during our walk. This information can be particularly helpful for those that might have difficulties getting up and down stairs, so that they can plan a different route. Now, starting our navigation, we're met by a step-by-step guide to exit our first building, followed by our walk between the buildings, and then finally accessing and navigating our other building to get to our designated classroom. And that's it! We have made our way from point A to point B by using the MazeMap app, and we're now ready for our next class in classroom PI243. Exit the current navigation by pressing the Exit button in the top right corner. MazeMap can be used for various universities, not only in Norway, but across the entire world. In other words, MazeMap is not exclusively used by OsloMet students, and maybe it could be of great help to you if you at one point were to visit a different university, either as a guest or as an exchange student. That was all for this segment, and if there was anything you found unclear, please revisit the different stages of the tutorial to get a second look. Now, let's move on to a quiz to check your knowledge about the MazeMap application. Do you think you can go 3 for 3? Question 1. Using MazeMap, how can you check the facilities and room layout of a specific floor level in a chosen building? Option A. By pressing and holding your finger on the chosen building for 2 seconds, a floor level option pop-up will appear, and you then drag your finger to the specified floor level. Option B. By zooming in on the chosen building, the floor level option will appear, and you can simply press on the specified floor level. Option C. There is no option for checking this. If you chose option B, you would be correct. The floor level option appears when you've zoomed in far enough on a building. Question 2. Does MazeMap offer navigation by car? Option A. Yes, MazeMap offers 2 ways of navigation, by foot and by car. Option B. No, it's only possible to navigate by foot using MazeMap. Option C. Yes, MazeMap includes navigation for various means of transportation, including car, bike, and bus. If you chose option C, you would be correct. MazeMap offers various means of transportation for navigation, and calculates the best routes for you depending on your choice of transportation. Question 3. Is MazeMap used exclusively for OsloMet's campus? Option A. Yes, OsloMet is the only school available on MazeMap. Option B. No, but its usage is limited to Norwegian schools. Option C. No, it's actually used all over the world. If you chose option C, you would be correct. Although MazeMap is a Norwegian concept, its range has expanded to countries all over the world, even all the way to universities in New Zealand. And that's it. Did you manage to get 3 out of 3 correct? If so, congratulations. You've now completed the training material for OsloMet campus navigation. Got any questions regarding any of the training material? Or do you need some extra help figuring out the MazeMap application? Contact us on one of the emails listed, and we'll make sure to help you out, so that you'll be able to use MazeMap freely for your campus navigation. Thank you, and good luck with your visit to OsloMet. We're looking forward to having you.